Alright, so today I am showing you the LPC2148 mini development board. It is one of the simplest ARM7 boards you can use to learn embedded systems. And this board is built around the ARM7 TDMI based LPC2148 microcontroller, and it comes with plenty of GPIO pins, UART port, ISP support, and even external crystal oscillator for stable operation. And coming to this side, you get the dual RS232 COM ports for serial communication. And here you can see the GPIO headers for port 0 and port 1, perfect for sensors, motors and interfacing experiments. And this includes onboard switches and LEDs for quick testing. And right here you can see the USB connector, which is used for powering the board and also for programming through ISP. And this is the bottom of the board. Here you will find the main LPC2148 chip itself. It's neatly soldered in the center, right? And its specifications are core and architecture ARM7 TDMI, yes, 32-bit RISC processor. It runs in 60 MHz and the memory is 512 KB flash, 32 KB SRAM and 8 KB USB RAM, and it has a 32-bit timers, 2 PWM units, 6 channels and an RTC real-time clock with dedicated battery pin, and communication interface such as UART 0 and UART 1, USB 2.0, I2C, SPI and SSP. And it has two ADC modules, the ADC 0 6 channel and ADC 1 8 channel and a 10-bit DAC. And it has 45 programmable GPIO pins, and it has an external 12 MHz crystal supported, and the operating voltage is 3 volts to 3.6 volts. And you will also find the reset circuitry, voltage regulators and labeled pinouts. So this board is perfect for beginners who want to step into our microcontrollers without burning much money, and it is very simple, stable and great for college projects. And if you like the explanation of this board, then make sure to like the video and subscribe, and thank you for watching.